Get a lot of information about special baggage. Annie and Tomic are masters at packing, but not even they can pack a bike into a suitcase. What should you do if you want to pack sports equipment or oversized baggage? It's very simple with LOT. You can take sports equipment for free as long as it fits in the baggage limit for your ticket. Pay attention to the weight and amount of allowed baggage. Report the type, weight, and dimensions of the special baggage to the LOT call center at least 24 hours before departure. Remember that your sports equipment should be properly packed and secured. Bicycles should have the front wheel loosened, the handlebar turned, and tires lowered. Ski equipment is considered to be a pair of skis or snowboard, poles, ski boots, and a helmet. If the sports equipment exceeds the free weight limit, additional kilograms will be charged as regular excess baggage. The maximum weight of your special baggage cannot exceed 45 kilograms. By combining your flight with another airline, be sure to check their rules on oversized baggage. You may also take a stroller or child seat on board with no additional charges. However, it must fit into the hand luggage sizes. Annie and Tomic's family are already on LOT's plane. When will you join them?